Hello everyone, my name is June. I am 22 years old. I'm a currently final year student at Curtin University, majoring in marketing, specializing in tourism and hospitality. So today's presentation will be covering on my reflection on the employability tool and also the time that I spent in enhancing your business mind unit, as well as the time I spent in Curtin. And they will also be covering on my career plan and a message to my future self. Okay guys, let's start with a reflection on my employability tool. As you guys can see, these are the results of my employability tool that I start on seminar 1 and 12. On the left is seminar 1 and on the right is seminar 12. It can be seen that all of my 6 employability skills have been developed on seminar 12. At the start of the semester, I was a shy person and I feel a lack of confidence to talk with other people in the class. But after doing the activities that this unit has provided me, making new friends and doing group activities with them, it made me feel more confident to meet new friends. And when I did the employability tool again on seminar 12, it can be seen that my rhetorical skills have been improved as well as another skills. Other than that, I want to talk about the digital and ethical literacy skills that I have been significantly improved. I have learned how to use technology where I will be able to recognize and apply technology to meet the needs of life and education. Even in my education lines, where I found that technologies have been helping me a lot for my study, I have developed using technologies to find some good educational resource through academic websites and finding relevant information as a good guideline for my assessment. And for the ethical literacy, I learned how to accept responsibility and maintain ethical and moral standard of my studies, communities, and societies. I understand how diverse people are, where they're all from different backgrounds. I learned how to be able to work and study with people from different backgrounds and communities. Overall, I am looking forward to continue improving on my overall literacy. Now, I want to talk about my time in enhancing your business mind unit. Personally, I enjoy studying this unit because in each seminar class, there are activities on different topics. This unit has taught me several key points that are useful in future work in terms of teamwork and leadership, especially in the first activity, which allows me to transform my ideas by building Legos that represent myself. Although I am not good at building Legos, this activity taught me how to be creative, like to think outside the box and to build what comes in my mind. I decided to build a tree in the Lego activity in seminar 12 to represent myself that I can keep improving myself to grow up and be more capable to do everything that I like the tree that can keep growing up from small to big tree. Like this unit that also taught me a lot of good learning material to be a better person and understanding other people. For the first group activities, which is the marshmallow activities, I have learned how to participate in the group as a team member. I learned how to use leadership skills, and I have a chance to develop my listening skill from my group mates' ideas by listening to the different ideas that each of my group mates have provided. In order to make the marshmallow, where my group mate also taught me how to develop my adaptation skill and the abilities to adjust to new situations. I learned how to identify problems, analyze situations, and developing solutions. Strong problem-solving skill enable me to navigate unfamiliar or complex situations with more confidence, and thinking creatively allow me to come up with innovative solutions and approach to new or challenging circumstances. Lastly, the weekly reflection are very useful for me to summarize what I have done, clarify my learning, and makes me understand what I have learned, determining what we need to focus on next, which working strategies were successful, and recognizing why it is important. So I want to talk about the good time at the Curtin University. So after I returned from my home country Thailand, after spending 3 semesters doing online class because of COVID-19 pandemic, I came back to the university in the first semester of 2023, and I must say that I enjoy studying at the campus much more than studying online because studying at home it may give you comfortable, but if given a choice, I would always prefer to return to the university because of the true essence of the university life is experiences on campus, where you will find attending a class, participating in activities, engaging in a group activities, or even partying with your friend. It will be much more fun than doing everything in online. And I have greatly enhanced my understanding of the lesson while I was in campus. Now I want to talk about the St. Catherine College, the place that I was staying here in the room recording video now. So upon my return, I stay at St. Catherine College, a place that I have come to live here. I have made many new friends from various countries, and I have learned to live harmoniously with people of different nationalities and religions. The activities organized by the dormitory have been a source of joy and camaraderie to me. My dormmates often invite each other to join in the event and activities, so it will be fostering a strong sense of community. Even during holidays, my friend and I frequently explore the city to diverse culinary offering together. And lastly, I would like to thank all of my friends and staff for always supporting me and helping me, and to give me the good opportunities to let me meet such a good people like you guys in my life. Okay, let's talk about my career plan. So after I graduate, I would like to relax myself around 1 year to travel around the world with my parents and my boyfriend. After that, I would go back to Thailand, to Bangkok, my hometown, to start working on the company that I can use my experience in marketing major, such as Lazada or Shopee. I would like to be a marketing trainee there to gain experience for 3 years. After that, I would like to continue studying on my master degrees. Dear myself, what you have learned in the Odyssey plan was that you have to be precious in every step as possible so that you can make sure that you are on the right track to achieve your career goals. Remind yourself that you can achieve anything you want. I want to say how credible I am so proud of you. Before getting to this point, you almost didn't make it. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and continue to strive for excellence. The future is yours to create. Lastly, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to this university for providing an environment where I found such a wonderful friend. Thank you to all of the teachers in every subject who have dedicated themselves for our education. Your commitment and passion have been truly inspiring. And good luck to everyone, and may our future be bright and filled with success. Thank you.